Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can disable the paste large text as a file feature in the Qwen AI chat. So let us guide you through this. So guys, sometimes on these AI programs like Qwen AI here, for example, it's not an exception. You sometimes end up, for example, when you paste a larger text into the text field, it gets automatically converted into a text file as an attachment. So it's not only on Qwen AI, but also here. So let me show you how you can disable that. What you need to do is log into your account, click into your profile icon in the bottom left, select settings, and here guys on the left hand side, what you want to do is navigate to interface here on the left hand side, and then disable this setting, right? It will be set, it will be switched on default, paste large text as file. So disable this, and after that you should be able to paste larger text into your conversations without converting these into a text file. However guys, remember that still there is a maximum or a limit of characters you can enter into a text field. I don't know exactly what the limit is here for chats and conversations on Qwen AI, but there is usually a limit, right? So you can't paste, I don't know, texts of hundreds of pages, A4 format, for example, or something like that. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.